Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick one today. Check out all these cherries here on the ground. An elderly lady has just slipped on these and fell over. I don't think she's hurt herself badly. It's just happened. We were just over the road, so it's on a public pathway there. The tree root itself is bringing up the path as well, which is also a hazard. So I've just took it upon myself here just to give it a quick tidy up. Get all that slippy moss up there as well. Get up them cherries. I think the lady, she's all right. Some neighbours came out and helped her back to the house and stuff. So I thought, well, whilst I'm here, get it sorted, because obviously the council, well, whether they've been informed or not, I don't know, but I'm just going to give it a quick tidy off the path. If it goes on the road, well, I'm not really bothered about that near the curbside, but as long as I get it up off the path, well, that's the main thing. You can see them there all squashed into the floor, just it's a slip hazard. Just gonna do what I can with what tools I've got on me. Be better than it was before, at least. If anyone of you have a problem like this as well, just get in contact with your local council, see if they can do anything, because it's quite dangerous, really. There's the tree there. There's not much fruit left on it now, but well, it's all been trodden into the floor, so it's better than it was anyway. Hopefully there will be no more accidents. Good deed done for the day anyway. We'll see you on the next one, guys.